Welcome! In this brief demo, we'll walk through creating a project in dRofus. Let's start by creating your buildings program in our function structure where you define how you want to organize your project. It can be as simple as departments and subdepartments, or something more complex. With departments in place, we give you multiple tools so you can easily add your rooms, quickly standardize room names, and define each room's unique target areas for planning. And for projects with repetitive room types, our copy room tool makes creating multiple rooms a breeze. While dRofus is great for building your program, if your program is already in Excel, simply import it. Program information from departments to room count and program areas can all be imported, getting your team out of Excel and into a shared location. And for projects with standard room types, it's time to leverage the power of our templates module. By creating rooms from templates, you instantly apply your design standards, from simple features like standard areas to design requirements, which we'll explore further in a moment. With your program in dRofus, it's easy to monitor your project and keep your entire team on track as you head into design. Now let's look at using room data and items to further design our project. Using our room data interface is an efficient way to collaborate on defining design and functional requirements for every room in your project. From occupancy requirements to air changes per hour, if you need to know it, we can capture it. In addition to room data, our items module is where you manage anything you need to plan in your project, from paint colors on the walls to furniture or equipment, all in a single location. And while your item specifications evolve, you can plan them in your project, knowing that your team will always be working from the same shared location that is up to date. So tracking where equipment is planned has never been so easy or accurate. Remember the templates module? The same room data and planned items can be defined in templates, allowing your design standards to evolve with your project's needs. And remember when we planned rooms off these templates? Everything captured in the template is immediately applied to these rooms, taking the guesswork out of making sure standards are adhered to. Now let's look at how a Revit plugin improves model accuracy. From early design, our plugin gives you instant access to your program to guide you through laying out your building. Just select the room you need to quickly plan your project. Then, use our dRofus panel to view synchronized data in context. Our bidirectional link lets you choose what information you want to connect to your model, so room properties are automatically assigned and monitored. Our plugin also gives you tools to make your modeling effort easier, like our Items and Room tool, which compares your planned to modeled content. Link your Revit Families to dRofus items, and let us do the rest of the work. From placing individual families to preloading everything in the room, the choice is up to you. Either way, you know your models will contain the content you planned. And as your project evolves, dRofus is there to quality check your models. Whether there's been a mistake or a late design change, our plugin will help keep your models on track. dRofus keeps your entire team connected without needing to use complex modeling software. Oftentimes, design decisions need to be made by team members outside the models. Our bidirectional link is your key to ensuring everyone is on the same page and your team has constant access to the synchronized data. With this valuable information in dRofus, let's look at how we produce the necessary deliverables to share with your various stakeholders. Our reports module puts a multitude of standard reports at your fingertips. With a few simple selections, you can easily make our standard reports your own. For example, present all your information in a clean and organized room data sheet, from the desired design requirements, listing and tracking of planned equipment, to embedded images generated directly from your models. And if you have a specific format you need to meet, we can easily customize these reports that go beyond our out-of-the-box standards. Our reporting capabilities don't stop there. You can generate additional reports to meet an abundance of design deliverables, such as equipment specification sheets, which provide a detailed overview of item properties you decide, with images where applicable. While PDF reports are great, our Excel exports give you real power to analyze your projects. Build customized Excel reports to visualize your project data the way you want, or connect data across all your projects in Power BI to create interactive dashboards with real-time feedback. With unlimited customizations, the dRofus Reports module has something for everyone, providing a centralized location for capturing all your project's requirements. Thank you for joining this brief demo highlighting how dRofus can improve your workflow and team collaboration.